Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are diving into the disease that affects millions worldwide, which is how to reverse diabetes. If you or someone is struggling with these conditions, please consider sharing this video with them. I will be sharing actionable steps that you can take to regain control of your health and to reverse your diabetes. But first, let us understand why diabetes is so important. Diabetes is one of the leading cause of death worldwide. While it may not be the direct cause of death, but it significantly increases your risk of cardiovascular disease such as heart attack, strokes, and also increase your risk of infections. High blood sugar levels damage your blood vessels and nerve over time. High blood sugar levels can cause inflammations in your blood vessels. This eventually leads to blockage in your blood vessels. Additionally, high blood sugar levels can weaken your immune system, which leads to poor healings of wounds or also increase your risk of severe infections. The good news, diabetes is not a life sentence. You can do some things to significantly improve your diabetes or even reverse it. In this video, I will walk you through 5 actionable steps that you can take to improve your diabetes. Hi, I'm Dr. Lee, a medical doctor with more than 15 years of clinical experience. My primary focus is on metabolic health such as hypertension, diabetes, strokes, and insulin resistance. My goal is to empower you with tools and knowledge to improve your health. Let's get started. Number 1, monitor your blood sugar levels regularly. The first steps to understanding your diabetes control is understand your numbers. You cannot manage your blood sugars or your diabetes without knowing your numbers. So today, your job is to get a glucometer or continuous glucose monitor. This is important to track your blood sugar level throughout the day. You need to pay attention to how different foods can affect your blood sugar levels. Identify which foods can increase or spike your blood sugar levels and adjust your food accordingly. So your job today is to at least get a glucometer or better get a continuous glucose monitor to track down how different foods affects your blood sugar levels. Number 2, cut down sugars and also refined carbohydrates. Sugars and refined carbohydrates are the main culprits in spiking your blood sugars. Here is how you can do to improve your blood sugars. Avoid any sugary drinks such as sodas, energy drinks, sports drinks, or even sweetened teas or coffees. Limit any desserts or processed foods or snack. Be aware of the hidden sugars in those processed food. Please make sure you read the labels and ingredients before you purchasing any products. Always be mindful of hidden sugars in snack, sauces, condiments, and any other packaged foods. But reduced sugars alone is not sufficient in improving your diabetes. You need to pay attention to your carbohydrates intakes as well. So you need to cut down your intakes of any grains such as rice, anything mixed from wheat, corns, and oats. Starchy vegetables and many other fruits can also increase your blood sugar levels. So pay attention to those. Dairy products such as milk, especially low-fat milk, can increase your blood sugar levels. Milk contains lactose, which breaks down into galactose and glucose. Number 3, increase your protein intakes and also healthy fats. Proteins and healthy fats are your friends in stabilizing your blood sugars levels and reduce your craving for more sugars. Focus on high quality protein such as grass-fed meats, poultry, eggs, and fish. Always cook in healthy fats such as coconut oils, pure butters, ghee, or any others animal fats. You need to boost your saturated fats intakes. Contrary to popular belief, saturated fat is not linked to cardiovascular disease. You need to also reduce your polyunsaturated fatty acids intakes because polyunsaturated fatty acid, also known as PUFA, will increase your omega-6 in your bodies. Increase in omega-6 can increase inflammations in your bodies. Polyunsaturated fatty acids can be found in many seed oils, vegetable oils, and sometimes I call it flowers oil, which includes corn oil, sunflower oils, canola oils, and so on. Number 4, you need to exercise regularly. Exercise is one of the important steps in managing your diabetes. But of course, if you are very overweight or obese, you need to start from controlling your diet first before engaging in any exercise. Exercise helps your body to use glucose more efficiently and also improve your insulin sensitivity. Here is what you can do. Engage in physical activity such as walking, jogging, or even cycling to boost your metabolism. Incorporate strength trainings to build up muscles that can help in processing your blood sugars. Also, aim to improve your exercise to at least 30 minutes most of the week. Remember, consistency is the key. Even small changes can give you significant improvement over time. Start with something small such as short walk after meals, brief jogging, and so on. Number 5, try intermittent fastings. Intermittent fasting is the game changers in reversing your diabetes. What is fasting? Fasting is basically means you don't eat or drink. Of course, there are many different kind of fasting which I will sharing with you in the next videos. When you fast, your body switch from burning sugars as primary fuels to burning stored fats as primary fuel for your bodies. Burning stored fats can help to improve your blood sugars levels and also improve your insulin sensitivities over time. How to do fastings? First, start simple. You can start with 12 hours of fasting. The easiest way I found in my patients, which includes to start fasting from 7 p.m. until the 7 a.m. the next day. You can gradually increase your duration of fasting. You can start with something called 16-8. 16 means you will be fasting for 16 hours and then allow yourself to eat within 8 hours window period. You can also do 24-hour fast once or twice a week. You should also avoid snacking between meals to allow your bodies to tap into burning stored fat. Fasting not only help you to lose weight, it can also help to reduce inflammations and also improve insulin sensitivities. Reversing diabetes is not overnight process. With dedications and consistencies, you can definitely achieve it. Remember, small consistent changes is important in reversing diabetes. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to these channels. I would love to hear from you. Please comment below about your thoughts, any questions, or even sharing your experience on how to reverse diabetes. Let us support each other on this journey to better health. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.